Yeah, there's such an emphasis on creating so much green space in so many different communities across Houston right now simply because of this heat island effect.
Yeah, we definitely need it, especially when we get pops of heat like this earlier than July and August. It's what it feels like as we look outside. And our cameras here showing that there's no sign of rain.
No.
It's a dry day out there and plenty more dry days to come. Here's a look at downtown with our Houston area Chevy dealers camera. You might notice over the next several days that there might be a little haze in the sky. Earlier this week, we did have ozone issues. So with that, we'll keep an eye on that. But luckily, our winds are breezy enough that we're seeing some mixing in the atmosphere. One thing that we're not going to see, as I mentioned, rain chances. These are zero at this point, and that really has to do with our overall setup. Now, over the next 7 days, some models indicate that there will be rain, just not here in southeast Texas. A better chance out to portions of North Texas. So as you head along 45 there could be some communities that pick up on a few showers. But we're not going to tap into any of that energy because of high pressure that's going to continue to work its way to the east out across the Gulf. And as it does so, any frontal boundaries that try to push into North Texas, yes, they may see a shower, a thunderstorm, but most of that moisture is going to be pushed off out to the east. And so most of us will miss any opportunity at wet weather. Over the next 3 days, we'll keep those temperatures hot, upper 90s. It should be in the upper 80s this time of year. And notice here, records on the bottom here of our panels. Each day we have a chance to break a record. Over the next 3 days, the record 94 degrees. So even if we hit 95 tomorrow, we still break that record. If we hit 94, we're tying it. We have noticed that the humidity is there across southeast Texas. We do not have a heat advisory in place here in Houston nor Fort Bend down through Galveston. Communities back to the north and west across Bryan, Navasota, Brenham under a heat advisory in that orange until 7 p.m. Now that's going to expire, but other counties even farther to the west, such as San Antonio, San Marcos, Austin, looking at an extreme heat warning, and that is in place because their heat indices could be at 112. Right now, those heat index values out in Austin, 108. Woo, it's a hot day. 102 in Del Rio, and it feels like 93 in Houston. Thankfully, we do have some winds that have been helping us. We'll continue to push closer to those low triple digits for our feels like temperatures for your Thursday and for your Friday. As for our 10-day forecast here, it is copy and paste over the next several days with the heat. We just want to make sure that you're staying hydrated, taking those steps to take breaks if you do plan to be outside. I know it's summer, almost summer, and we do want to be outside, but don't overexert yourself with temperatures like these because it's a bit of a shock to the system because it's the first time we've seen a stretch like this year.